Hello, MPE fourth graders. We are going to have a recorder lesson in the privacy of your own living room via my own living room. So here we are in my music studio. We are going to be using a text that you should have in your resources called, we've been using it in class, it's called Be a Recorder Star. And we're going to go back just a little bit to review. And we're going to start on page 8. There should be an 8 at the top left corner of your page with a star, an 8 inside a star. And it says rhythm chart number 2. We will be looking at numbers 2 and 4. And yes, numbers 2 and 4. So looking at 2 and 4, we see that it is in 4/4 time, meaning there are 4 beats per measure. Always the first thing they say for you to do is to clap the rhythm. We're going to speak it in beats and beat ands. No beat ands here. So let's begin together. So go ahead and start at number 2 and speak the rhythm with me. 1, 2, here we go. Beat, 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 beat. Beat, 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 beat. Now, you should see right halfway through that example, there's a little apostrophe, and that is a breath mark. So when you're playing, stop the air there. Take a little bitty breath if you need to. We are going to play that line on B. All right, so we will try that. Number 2 on B. 1, 2, here we go. All right, now looking at number 4 in our rhythm chart, we're going to speak the rhythm, and then we're going to play it on I haven't decided yet, a B, A, and a G, or maybe all 3. We'll see. So let's speak the rhythm first. 1, 2, ready, go. Beat, 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 beat. All right. Now let's play it on A and then play it on G. So A, remember, alligator A, 2 fingers in the way, thumb on back. All right, here we go. Remember that when you have rests, that's a natural place to breathe, so you don't need a breath mark there. Let's try the same one on G. All right. Number 4 on G this time. 1, 2, here we go. All right. Now, today we're going to be looking at songs Go to Sleep, which is song number 1 on page 8. Then we're going to be looking at excerpt from Symphony number 7, Beethoven, song number 2. Then we're going to skip Teamwork, our first duet. Then we're going to go to Softly Falls the Rain. And then I'm going to teach you how to do high C. You'll also see on page 10 that you'll have written work to do. Reviewing the fingerings, writing what a whole note and a half note and a quarter note look like. And there's a little recorder math, rhythm math, excuse me. And then high C's are after that. So we will be looking at, of course, pages 8 all the way through page 11. So 3 pages today. All right, fourth graders, we are now going to go through, review Softly Falls the Rain. It is a piece of music that has 4 beats per measure. Let's speak the rhythm first, then we'll speak the letter names. I think we'll read the words because that's going to help it. Let's read the words first. I think that'll help you understand how the rhythm works. So this one has lyrics, so let's read those together. Here we go. Softly falls the rain on my window pane. Pitter, patter, pat, rain keeps falling just like that. Softly falls the rain. So let's speak that on our rhythmic syllables. Beat, 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 beat. Beat, 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 beat. Beat, 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 beat. Beat, 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 beat. Beat, 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 beat. Now, letter names. It starts on the highest pitch that we've learned so far, which is B. And if we look at the ending of the song, it ends on the lowest pitch we've learned so far, which is G, excuse me. All right, so I am going to go ahead and play the song for you so you can see how it goes, and then we will work on letter names. I believe this is the piece that last time I saw you, we noticed that the B, B, A, G pattern happens 3 times. So I am going to ask you to read where it says, softly falls the rain. It happens in the very first measure, and then it happens in the very last one on the bottom line. So here we go. Let's read the letter names to it. B, B, A, G. And then find it at the end of the song again. B, B, A, G. All right. Let's see if you can play it after me. Your turn. Okay. On my window pane is the same pattern. So let's play it again, but thinking on my window pane. Let's play it together this time. Here we go. And then the very last one is softly falls the rain. Let's try to play that one. Same thing. Play it again. So B, B, A, G is that pattern. Each time it occurs, I would like you to play it as I play the other parts. All right, here you go. Next part. My turn. Your turn. The rest of the song we learned last time is it's kind of flipped a little bit. It starts on G instead of B. So starting on pitter patter, let's see if we can read those notes together. It starts on G, G, A, B, B, A. And then the next part, G, G, A, B, B, A. Well, I'll be darned. They're the same. So please play after me. Your turn. A, B, B, A. My turn. Your turn. G, G, A, B, B, A. Now let's see if we can put the whole part, all of the parts together. Put your mouthpiece on your chin and let's just kind of sing the letter names as we go through the whole song, noticing that there are only 2 different patterns in the whole thing. Here we go. B, B, A, G. B, B, A, G. G, G, A, B, B, A. Do it again. G, G, A, B, B, A. Back to the first pattern. B, B, A, G. Let's see if we can play it together now. 1, 2, starting on B. Here we go. And so that's Softly Falls the Rain. Let's look at Latin Satin, the next one. This one, let's see. Yes, it has 4 beats per measure, like the other. No eighth notes yet, only half notes, quarter notes, and quarter rests. Let's speak the rhythm together. Here we go. Beat, 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 beat. Beat, 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 beat. Beat, 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 beat. beat, 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 beat. And then there's a repeat there. We're not going to repeat speaking the rhythm though. All right. What note does it start on? Is it on the highest line that we play or the lowest? It looks to be on the lowest line, so that is G. All right, remember that A is the one in the space in between. All right, so it starts on G, it walks up to A and then to B. Let's see if we can read it together. G, A, B, B. G, 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 A, B. Shh, shh, shh. Next line. B, oops, skip A, G, A, shh, shh, B, 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 A, G. So there's one tricky spot, and it is on the beginning of the second line. We skip from a B to a G, so please note that. Actually, let me play the song for you so you can hear what it sounds like, and then we'll break it apart a little bit before we try to play it together. Okay, so here is the song Latin Satin. Then there's a repeat. All right, so just B-A-G. You gotta watch for the first thing I wanna try is I wanna play the top of the second line, just to get you used to it. It's B, G, A. So I'll play, then you play back. All right, the rest of it, there are no skips. It just walks up and down in stepwise motion. Okay, let's try that one more time from the B to the G to the A. Actually, take your fingers and go B, then finger a G, then go back up to B, then finger a G. Now let's try to finger the two measures. B, G, A. Now play after me. Your turn. B, G, A. Excellent. All right. What I would like for you to do is I would like you to play as best you can along. Let's see if you can read through this one with me. All right. Actually, start with your mouthpiece on your chin and sing it through with me, starting on G. G, A, B, B, shh, shh. G, 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 A, B, shh, shh, shh. B, G, A, shh, shh. B, 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 A, G. Now repeat this time. See if you can play it. We'll take it a little slower. All right. 1, 2, here we go. Try it again. Okay, my advice to you, if you get stuck somewhere, just keep going. Don't try to correct it. Just keep going forward. You want to practice making your eyes read from left to right and up and down. That's actually more important right now than getting all of the notes right. We're learning how to do several things right now, so be patient with yourself. All right, the next one I want to look at is finger flurry. And that's kind of like an exercise to get your fingers moving up and down on your instrument between B, A, and G a little more easily. All right, so if you look at finger flurry, you'll see that it starts on B, and then it goes down to A, then G, then back up to A, then B. And it does this 3 times in a row, but it ends on G. So it's simply this pattern 3 times, just working those fingers out. It's like an exercise. So I'm going to play it for you so you can see how it goes, and I bet you could probably read it just following the trail of the notes there. So listen. and then you repeat. And that's a good warm-up to you for you to do anyhow, is the finger flurry. Just go back and forth between B, A, and G. All right, what I would like you to do on your own is to look at the review page. It says fingerings. It says fill in the fingerings and write the note names. So you'll see a little recorder. And for G is the first one. I'll give you that one. You know that you have to cover the back hole, so you're going to color that in. And then the first 3 holes on the front of the instrument, so you will color all of that in. Likewise for the second 2 notes there. Next it says writing, and it says to draw the following notes. 2 whole notes. Remember, the whole notes are like little donuts. 3 half notes, and then 4 quarter notes. All right, you will see half notes and whole notes below in rhythm math, so you can remember what they look like. You'll also find that all of these note values and all of this information is written in the beginning of your text. It shows you all the different note values. It shows you the line notes and the space notes for you to review. So the information is there. After you write your half and whole and quarter notes, there is a little section called Recorder Math. And I would like you to do that. You simply add up the value of the notes you see. For it shows you the first one, 1 quarter note plus 1 quarter note equals 2, because a quarter note is worth 1 beat. Okay, it's pretty simple. I also said we would be learning high C today. On your own, between now and next week, if you have time to practice, page 11, that would be perfect. We're learning how to play high C. So the way that you play high C is mouthpiece on your chin, show me A, and then you're going to raise your index finger, boop, just like that. So you go from A to high C, go from A to high C, and A to high C. Excellent. Now I'm going to play a high C, and then I want you to practice playing back. Nice warm soft air on this one. It's a little higher than you're used to. So play some high C's for a while, get used to your fingers where they are and what they sound like. And notice that on your hand staff, C, remember A is here, F, A, C is right above A in the space above A in the 3rd space. If you make a hand staff, you can check that real quick. We know B is on the 3rd line, A is in the 2nd space, G is on the 2nd line, C is just right above B, A, B, C, okay? So let's look at the first example. It's just half notes. I want to challenge you just to read it with me on C. All right, here we go. Repeat. On your own, I would like you to look at number 2, more C's, number 3, C and A, and then number 4, Indian chant. See if you can do those on your own. Real quick before we leave for the day, remember A is here. C, you simply remove your index finger. So let's practice echo me on it from A to C. You try. Here's another one. It simply is just a matter of getting used to what it feels like and just practicing over and over again. I would recommend no more than 5 to 10 minutes a day. I think that's plenty when you're practicing these, in addition to watching me. If you need to rewind back, you can always see. If you have any questions, please write in Microsoft Teams, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much,